Hello, welcome back. I'm back. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, put your comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the bell button. I remain Oluwafolakemi, your tutor for this journey. That's what we'll be doing today. Design piece. This design piece can work as a pocket and as a design piece. Whatever it is you want to do with it, you can do with it. But for this tutorial, we'll be doing it as a design piece, meaning it's just there to make the clothes pop. So this is the one we'll be working on today. That's what we'll require to be able to achieve this. Let's get started. That's a typical example of what each one looks like, although the one on the polka dot fabric is different from the one on the plain, but all the same, the process is the same. So labeling the calico, because you can accidentally mix it up. So the way you place the fabric is like that: face on inside. As such, one will be facing out, the other it will be on the back. So after you've pinned it, trace it out. I will be drawing on the calico because it's easy to see a barrel mark on the calico than on the black fabric. So that's what I'll be drawing on the calico. So I'll be drawing a shape with 5 sides. That's what I'm attempting to draw there. You can draw it whichever way you want. Also, it can be any number of sides from 3 upwards. 3, 4, 5, whatever it is you want to do, you can do with it. But for this one, I'll be doing 5 sides. So you sew the mark. Sewing done, take out your pin, then cut out the gap in the middle, create a gap in the middle rather. And don't forget to snip the edges. Once you're done snipping, flip the fabric. So go to the other side because we'll be working on the white. Watch closely, please. Using each angle, we have 5 sides. Automatically, that will be 5 different angles. So using each angle as a guide, you draw it out like you're creating a triangle on each one. I'm flipping it open to see below what I'm working on so that I'm sure there are no folds underneath, because it's supposed to lay flat. You may have to do it a couple of times to get it right, but once you get it right, it's really easy. So once it's all done, pin it together. Just the piece at the back, don't pin it to the black fabric. So flip it to the outside to see if it's standing well. If it's standing well, now we can place our other fabric so we can sew it in place. And before going to sewing it, pin it together so you're sure it wouldn't shake. Notice I'm not pinning the black fabric to it at all. It's just the piece that was manipulated and the facing at the back. So you sew around the line and the parts where you trimmed before now. That done, take out the pins, then trim off the excess. We're almost done. So that's what it looks like. Try poking your hand through. Your hand should not be able to go through any part of it except if it's a pocket. So there it is, all completed, looking cute. I would love you to try it and let me know what your outcome is. So whatever it is you would like us to do, please drop it in the comment section below. I would love to read from you. Till our next video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, put your comment down there. Bye bye for now.